Good evening, my name is Kate Donnelly and I have the privilege of being principal here at Walnut Grove Elementary.
And hello everybody, I'm Debbie Gatis and I have the privilege of working with Dr. Donnelly and serving Walnut Grove as assistant principal.
We're delighted you're here this evening for open house, and I know you want to spend lots of time getting to know your child's teacher, so our remarks this evening will be brief. First of all, I want to thank you so very much for coming this evening and for being an active parent in our community. Our parents are absolutely vital to everything we do here at Walnut Grove. Walnut Grove would not be the exceptional school it is without the support of our parents. You're just incredible. The volunteer support you provide and the monetary support you provide has allowed us to do great things. I'm sure you've heard about the zip line on our playground and all the great stories that we've had in the first few days of school. I want to let you know that parents are always welcome at Walnut Grove. This year, the district has changed some security guidelines based on what we've learned from events around the nation. One of the biggest changes that is affecting elementary schools are our class parties. This year, we will only have 2 class parties, one in the winter and one at the end of school. Based on security guidelines, we are only going to allow 2 parents to attend parties this year. Again, this is based on security guidance we've received. But I do want to let you know you're very welcome to be on our campus at any time. You'll notice in our Sunday Grizzly Blast that our teachers are making a great effort this year to invite you into their classrooms or to ask for help with special class projects. You'll see those volunteer opportunities listed in Sign Up Genius once a month.
So we'll move along to security. As you know, security is super important to all of us here at Walnut Grove and to the district, Williamson County Schools as well. Having said that, Dr. Donnelly mentioned a little bit about how we continue to strive to stay on top of the latest information with regards to safety. Along those lines, you'll notice that some district policies, such as the parties, are changing. Last year, you may notice that our camera system for buzzing visitors into the building changed slightly. We now have a camera and we ask that you buzz or be buzzed in, push the button outside where we can see who's there. You'll be asked to state your purpose for your visit. You'll be buzzed into the office where you will sign in with a photo ID and receive a visitor's badge. We ask that you wear that badge throughout your entire stay here during your visit on that particular day. Also, having said that, lunch is going to change slightly. As Dr. Donnelly mentioned, we still welcome visitors to have lunch with children in the building. However, this year, when you complete your information card for the office, there will be a place for you to list people who do have permission. If that person comes, we'll check the card. If that person is not on your card, we'll make a phone call to you to ask permission for that person to eat lunch. Adults who eat lunch with their child will sit at the adult student table separate from the class, and you'll enjoy lunch with your student only, whereas in the past we've enjoyed lunch with a group of friends. That's another change that's new to our district this year, but all in the name of safety. And we thank you in advance for your continued support of us as we continue to make our precious children safe.
Thank you, that was well said. This evening, as you get to know your child's teacher, we hope you'll stop by and say hello to us. We'll be in the foyer as open house starts to conclude. We'll be very glad to answer any questions for you about anything at Walnut Grove, from volunteering to parties to the cafeteria, just anything at all. We're a team here at Walnut Grove and we want to have the greatest year possible and support your family in any way that we can. And now, with some remarks from our PTA, Lindsay Ball and Jana Roberts, our Walnut Grove PTA presidents for the year. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, Kate. Hi, my name is Lindsay Ball.
And I'm Jana Roberts.
And we will be serving this school year as Walnut Grove Elementary's PTA presidents. Along with the rest of our PTA board, we would like to thank all of you for being here tonight. Parents are such an important part of our school's success. And the PTA is a key way that parents can support our school. From PTA membership to volunteering opportunities to financial support, there are so many ways to become involved with our school community. With support from parents and our school community, we are able to raise funds to help improve our school, its facilities, our security, as well as enhance the overall school-like opportunities and learning experiences for all of our children.
Over the past year, the PTA with your help and support, has given back funds to the school to provide new Chromebooks, iPads, and laptops for the mobile computer cart, additional security cameras, new math and reading curriculum items, new library shelving and art tables, a new zip line for the 1st through 5th grade playground, and lastly, tangible experiences for the students, all which enhance classroom learning for everyone. In addition to our fundraising efforts, we have also hosted great family events such as our first annual Fall Grizzly Fest, skate night, book fairs, an adult-only golf outing at Top Golf, and our reception for our 5th grade families, as well as shown our support to school staff members through our staff appreciation efforts.
This year, we would love to continue to give back and show that same support to Walnut Grove. We will be kicking off our school year with our big annual Growing Grizzlies donation drive, which is currently underway. Through this drive, we hope to provide continued funds to our school to purchase instructional materials for reading, math, and science, adding on to our technology materials, and items to continue to provide students with opportunities to have national speakers, performers, and artists that visit the school. On October 5th, we will be hosting our 2nd annual Grizzly Fest. This was a huge success last year. This event has a carnival theme with lots of fun games, activities, a silent auction, class baskets, and we hope to make the Grizzly Fest an ongoing tradition for Walnut Grove, and we hope to definitely see you all there.
Again, your support is key to making all these events a success. If you are looking for ways to get involved, please do not hesitate to reach out to the PTA board to learn about different opportunities everyone has available to them. Finally, please check your weekly Grizzly updates to stay informed about our events and volunteer opportunities throughout the year. Additional information can be found on our website at walnutgrovepta.com, and remember to like us on Facebook at Walnut Grove Elementary School PTA, follow us on Twitter at WGES_PTA, and Instagram at WGES PTA. Thank you for being here tonight, and we look forward to serving you this year.